Hi guys, again this is Pamik. I'm with you guys again, and this video I'm gonna teach you guys numbers. So every video I'll try to make sure I'm gonna do start from the basics, so you guys can use those words when you go to Turkmenistan or when you try to speak Turkmen people. So last time I did alphabet. Hopefully you guys remember the alphabets, and this time I'm going to do numbers. Numbers, of course, every country you will need and you will want to know. So let's get started with our numbers. In Turkmen, numbers is kind of similar to Turkish too. So you might hear Turkish people kind of sound like a Turkmen talking, but not exactly. But they're still similar. So yeah. In Turkmen, when you say one, we say bar, bar, and two, iki, iki, three, üç, üç, four, dört, five, beş, six, altı, seven, yedi, eight, sekiz, 9, 9, 10, on. And our next one is 11. 11 in Turkmen is on bir. Did you guys hear some kind of space there? On bir. It's like when you say 11, it's like how you say 10 and 1. So when you say 12 is 10 and 2. So on iki. Did you hear that? So when you put the words in Turkmen, it's not really hard to remember them because it's kind of like you say 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3. So let's get back to the numbers. And 13 is on üç, 14 on dört, 15 on beş, 16 on altı, 17 on yedi, 18 on 8, 19 on 9, and 20 is 20. Again, when you go from a 21, 23 is exactly like when you did 11, 12 is like you say 10 and 1. This time you say 20 and 1. Like for example, 21 is 20 bar. 22 is 22. So I'm just gonna do the round numbers so you guys can figure that out yourself, right? I know you guys are smart. And so 20 was 20, 30 is 30, 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60 is 60, 70 is 70, 80 is 80, and 90 is 1000. Like for example, if you guys have questions, let's say you want to say 71, for example, right? As I said, 70 is 70, so you want to say 70 and 1, 70 bar. When you try to say maybe 90 was, what was it? 1000. 1000. So when you try to say it, 1001, 91, right? So yeah, and our 100 is 100. 100, it's kind of like when you say in Turkmen is a face, but it's still 100 when you count it. It's 100. 100 is 100. So yeah, this is our number time. So hopefully you guys learned something from Turkmen, and hopefully you guys will be able to use the words and Turkmen numbers. Good luck! Thank you so much, and please subscribe my page and share, watch. I hope you guys had really good time with me and enjoyed my videos. Thank you so much. Bye.